This is honestly how I love to spend my Sundays at home, in my jammies, in my pantuflas, no makeup, chilling, and watching cleaning videos. So if you guys are here, it's because you also like watching cleaning videos as well. So today we are gonna be getting down and dirty in my bathroom and cleaning and organizing it. I don't think you guys understand how bad it is. We moved in here 5 months ago, and in those 5 months, I have never cleaned that bathroom. Never. It is a disaster. There's so many products everywhere. Hella product. Half of it may be old. Half of it is probably empty. Half of it probably never been used and I'm not going to keep it. So I just have a lot of things to do in there. We need to separate what I'm keeping. We got to throw away the old stuff as well as clean the bathroom, clean the shower, clean the countertop. I know you guys are probably thinking that I'm a dirty puerca, but I swear to you guys, I haven't done it because I just haven't done it. Like, I really don't have an excuse other than work, travel. It just hasn't been on my list of priorities to do. So today is the day that that's gonna happen. Now, I don't know how this whole video is gonna play out just because I'm gonna try to time lapse everything. I've never done like a voiceover time lapse kind of video, but I do feel at some point I'm gonna jump in and talk a little bit about what I'm doing just to give you guys an update. Like I said, we'll see how it goes. It's probably gonna go so incredibly fast, but you know what? If we don't like it in a future video, I can take off the time lapse and just film normal and speed it up so it's not so crazy looking. I don't know, like I said, my first time doing it, so we're giving it a shot. Just realized I should probably get out of this before I get started because I don't want to ruin it. It's my new sweat set from Target. I just love all Target stuff. I also have somebody coming that's going to be installing shelves in the bathroom. Once they get here, I got to get out of their space, so hopefully I can show you guys how it looks before they arrive. Let's go. Here is what's happening in here. I swear I'm not a cochina marrana. I'm just busy. So I haven't had... I didn't mean to cut you guys off, but we actually had to move everything into my bedroom because the guys who are installing the cabinets just got here. You see how the cabinets are pretty deep. They're also pretty high. I felt like with the amount of products I have, we were gonna have a lot of dead space. So we actually customized some shelves right there that are gonna go here and allow me to double stack my products on there. So now that I have moved all the products over to the bedroom, I'm gonna start going to everything, deciding what I want to keep and what I want to get rid of. But as you guys can see, we have so many items to go through. This is the face of instant regret. I was like, damn, what did I do? I caused such a mess. But as you can see, I'm bringing out a bunch of baskets and they're all filled with all the products. It's a lot and they're all mixed up, so it's a big mess. So I'm bringing everything out and I'm going to be doing everything on this big table. I'm bringing out also a big old trash bag for whatever I'm going to be throwing away as well. And first things first, we're going to put on gloves to protect my hands. And now I'm just going with a Clorox wipe and wiping all the products down. I'm opening the lids, cleaning them out. I'm cleaning out the containers, the pumps, just taking off all the germs and excess product that may be stuck on the outside. I'm also kind of shaking the product as well to see if there's anything left because some of them were empty. And I'm also checking if they are good. And as I'm doing that too, I'm also making piles. So cleansers go with cleansers, exfoliators, toners, deodorants. Everything's just kind of going in its category. And this will allow me to decide what I'm going to keep and where to place it at when I find a home for it. So just going through everything. This actually took about 2 hours to do. But yeah, it's a lot of products and there's a lot that I threw out as well that you guys aren't seeing, but it's a lot. So we are done separating all of the products and this is what I decided to keep. I know it is a lot, but I promise you guys I go through this stuff so quick. And I am just like a product junkie. I love always having products and trying different things out. So to me, this is like a good amount. These are all the hair products that I love using and love trying. And then hairsprays don't last me that long either. So I always have a backup on hairsprays, dry shampoos, texture sprays, leave-in conditioners, and so on. We got my oil cleansers that I love, facial cleansers over here, and then all of the masks that I love to use. So I kind of spread these out depending on what I'm in the mood for and what my skin is feeling. We got the toners, a couple body washes, toothpaste and deodorant, and then of course shampoo and conditioner because I go through those. Same thing with body lotions, body scrubs, and body washes. It looks like a lot, but like I'm telling you guys, they do not last me. This lotion will maybe last me maybe a month and a half, depends what I am in the mood for. So what you guys weren't seeing too much off camera was me adding things to the bag. So this bag right here is filled of old and empty products. I was throwing everything out and I actually started this as of last night. So it is filled, it is tons of stuff in there that are just so old. So I'm really glad that I had a chance to do that. And then on this side over here, I compiled a couple more bins. These are products that I'm gonna let family go through. Things that I just don't really use, haven't used too much, and can be gifted to someone in my family that wants to use it. But I think we did a pretty good job so far at separating, and then now it's time to find a home for everything. So I forgot to let you guys know that while we were organizing over there, there is some installations going on in my closet right now. So this is super cool, something that Linda did for my closet. So you guys see how there is a lot of space from the pants to here. So because of that, we were able to do this right here. We made this, she made this, they made this. It's like a sunglass kind of holder. They customized it to roll out of there, and all my sunglasses now have a spot. It's velvet on the bottom, so they're not gonna get scratched either, and it slides right in. So down here is not finished, but I do want to show you guys what we're doing. So we made this for all of my belts. This is like exactly what I needed, especially like the chain ones that are super hard to roll up. This is perfect for them.
And then the sneak one underneath, the hidden.
Oh yes. Oh my gosh, for all of my giant earrings and necklaces, this is gonna be perfect. I am so excited. Yay! So something exciting that we also did over here is they made these customized acrylic trays. They each have their own little spot, and this is perfect because I have so many tiny earrings. It definitely beats those, the little trays that I had, but wow, this came out so good. This is amazing. I'm obsessed. And it looks bigger.
Yes.
How weird is that? So here's an update underneath of the bathroom sink. So this is gonna pull out, which is amazing, instead of having to reach all the way over there. And then we also did this right here so we can utilize products in this area. Do you like it, Ollie? Is it good? Yeah, guys, it looks so good. So now the real fun starts. Now that we've separated all the products, I gotta get into cleaning this bathroom. This bathroom is way overdue for deep cleaning, and the sink, the counters, the mirrors, the glass doors, toilet, like it is seriously so filthy in here. I'm actually really embarrassed to show you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off all these products and then get into it. The cumbias were blasting during this time, and I think that's what's making me move pretty fast. But start off by cleaning the mirrors first, and now the counter space. I put some comment on there and scrubbed it with a brush, and oh, this took forever to do. But after that, I did spray some Clorox foam just to do a little bit extra disinfecting and cleaning. And I'm cleaning like every single corner, every handle, everything. A little organizing going on. Now moving over to the tub area. This one was just collected with so much dust, so I just scrubbed it down with the brush and some comment and cleaned it down as good as I could. And then from there, I moved over to the hardest part, which is the shower. I've never cleaned shower doors like this, glass ones. You can see there's hella products in there because I have no idea what the hell I'm doing in there. This was challenging. I will get better, but man, this was crazy to clean. I'm cleaning the floors, the windows, the marble slab. Like, this just took a long time, but this one was a little bit challenging, I'm not gonna lie, because I was trying to remove the streaks and any kind of grime and just anything around there. So excuse me while I just go crazy in there. Took forever though. So before I get into mopping, we are just now gonna fill in all of the bins with the products that I decided to keep. And Linda from Beverly Hills Organizers is the best. She helped me organize my closet. I actually organized it first, and she came and did her final touch on it because I feel like I needed help with certain things. And she actually offered to help me with my bathroom because she saw how crazy it looked. But she pretty much was the one who came up with the idea of doing these drawers as well as the acrylic trays. But as you can see, I'm in here now fixing things. I'm very Virgo, very particular on where I like things, but we're moving things around and just kind of seeing what works better for me and where I like things to be. So that's pretty much all I'm doing. And it's nice because we really were able to figure out how to make this work. And I think we did a really great job. And lastly, to trapear, to mop, my least favorite chore. But I had to do this 2 times to get the floor extra squeaky clean. And I think it came out really nice. So now for the final reveal and tour of this bathroom. It only took a day and a half, but I'm so happy that it is finally done. It looks amazing. It smells incredible. Like, all I need is a lit candle somewhere in here to complete the task, but this looks so good. I am so happy For once, I can see through my shower doors. The floors are clean, everything has a home. And for me, I'm one of those that once I clean and get it down and organized, I keep it that way. It's easy to maintain. It's just the initial cleanup that we had to do. But anyways, this is the final finish of the bathroom. I currently don't have a towel here, so once I find the perfect ones, I will add them. And I actually also want to add a plant right here. I'm not exactly sure what kind of plant I want, so if you guys have any suggestions on what I should do in this corner, let me know. I definitely think we need some greenery. Over here on this side, I have this really cute mirror from, I believe it's from CB2. If I find it, I will link it down below. But this is new. It is a planter that I got yesterday at HomeGoods, and I got this for $30. And I love that it's neutral because, as you guys can see, there's a lot of gray in this bathroom, but there's also wood, so I wanted to tie back into that. And I'm actually going to be adding an olive tree right there, which I think is going to be perfect, you know. And then, like I said, over here we still need something. So again, suggestions, let me know. Then I just added this here right in the center. This little tray is from Pottery Barn. These are from Target. This is from CB2, I believe, and then this I got, I don't even know where, but I throw my rings in here whenever I'm taking a shower. But yeah, let me give you guys now the final tour of the bathroom. So underneath the cabinet, we did all of the hair products in here. So on the shelf that we built up, we did all of the intense masks. So all the stuff that I use every now and then, but I don't necessarily need them down here, we did them towards the back, as well as all of the extra shampoos I have. So because these are extra shampoos, they're kind of like my stock, we decided to put them in the back as well so they're not in the way. And then with the custom drawer that we made, we decided to do all of my go-to hair products. So this is perfect for this area. And texture sprays here, dry shampoos, more texture sprays, and then like some leave-in sprays, a bunch of wave sprays. We have all the paste here, and then these are all like prep bonding products, so stuff you use before you blow dry, after, leave-in treatments and whatnot. And then moving to this side, we did all of the body creams and body washes. So all of the lotions that are in the big jars, we did on the top shelf as well. And then down here in this pull-out drawer, we did all of the body washes here, and then all of my lotions, and then more lotions, because I seriously go through these like water. So we have all the lotions there, and then we have a clear bin here, which we haven't decided what we're gonna do in there yet, but it's good that we have an empty one. And then on this drawer, we did all of my body scrubs, also my bath bombs in here too, so perfect location for that. We have an empty drawer, and we have another empty drawer, so this makes me happy to know that I didn't fill up every single one. So then moving on now to the drawers, we're gonna start off with the top one, and this is one that we actually didn't even really touch. Like I said, we haven't done anything to this, so I won't get too much into this part, but the second one looks amazing. How bomb is that? So we have all of my cleansers on this side, all my masks right here, and then all of my exfoliators. And then over here we have all of my toners, my micellar waters. We have a few more masks here, a face halo, and then these were just extra cleansers and then other products that I use. So it worked out perfectly in there. And then the last drawer is also not too full, which is perfect. So we did all of my hair serums and then my Olaplex and any kind of leave-in products in there as well. And then the last three drawers are actually empty. There's nothing in there. I think there's like, yeah, a handle, but it's perfect just like that. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed seeing me get down and dirty in this bathroom and cleaning and organizing it. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, I will continue doing more. Maybe we could do the beauty room next, because that one always needs to be cleaned, and I can also give you guys a tour of how it looks like in there. Also, before we go, let me know if you guys agree that I should change these out. I'm not a fan of them. I don't know why. No me gustan. They're kind of a little chintzy. I think that's the one thing I've noticed in this house is the light fixtures are just not my vibe. So I am considering changing them. I'm not for sure what I want to do, but they will for sure be gone maybe in the next month or so. Let me know if you guys agree, or if you guys have any recommendations of what I should do up there. Send me some pictures on Instagram. I would appreciate it. But anyways, like I said, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you guys in my next video.